Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use vitamin E for oily skin, updated. Start by selecting a light, non-comedogenic vitamin E serum or oil blend labeled for oily or acne-prone skin. Cleanse with a gentle, oil-free cleanser and pat dry. Apply a pea-sized amount to blotting-prone areas, avoiding heavy layering. Use sunscreen in the daytime because vitamin E can increase sun sensitivity when combined. Begin with clean skin and a toner if you use one. Dispense a pea-sized amount of vitamin E serum and warm it between fingertips. Press gently onto T-zone and cheeks, focusing on oily or scarred areas, and avoid rubbing vigorously. If your skin feels heavy, layer a water-based moisturizer on top to balance hydration. Maintain routine consistency, using vitamin E every other night at first to monitor results. Look for formulations that mix vitamin E with lightweight carriers like squalane or hyaluronic acid. Avoid oil-heavy butters and pure vitamin E oil if you are pore-prone. Introduce the product slowly, using it every other night for 2 weeks, then increase frequency if tolerated. If you layer treatments, apply vitamin E after water-based serums, but before heavier creams to maintain balance and reduce pore congestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.